Anchored some 20 miles off the coast of New Jersey and New York, the terminal will be located far from shore and away from shipping lanes, ports, and recreational areas. The facility will be designed and operated in a safe, secure, and environmentally responsible manner. LNG is natural gas that has been converted to a liquid by cooling it to a temperature of -260 degrees Fahrenheit. This liquid occupies about 600 times less space than it would as a gas. The Blue Ocean Energy Terminal will warm the LNG back to a gas, which will flow to shore through a subsea pipeline. Inside the double hull of the terminal, 5 independent, specially designed tanks will store the LNG at atmospheric pressure. The Blue Ocean Energy Terminal will be able to provide 1.2 billion cubic feet of this safe, clean-burning fuel to customers every day, enough to meet the daily needs of more than 5 million residential consumers. Natural gas will flow from the terminal through 4 flexible lines to the subsea pipeline. The floating ocean terminal will be anchored in about 150 feet of water. Its mooring system will allow the vessel to rotate in a full circle and operate safely in a wide variety of sea and weather conditions. An LNG ship will dock at the Blue Ocean Energy Terminal about twice a week. LNG ships are among the world's safest. During the past 40 years, they have completed more than 45,000 deliveries worldwide, encompassing some 100 million miles without a significant incident either in port or at sea. Powerful tugboats will assist in maneuvering the LNG ship as it approaches the floating terminal. Dedicated mooring lines will secure the ship alongside the terminal. Specially designed loading arms will transfer the LNG from the ship to the terminal.
Weatherford is proud to bring you the Zone Select Eyeball Multi-Zone Stimulation Sleeve. Using the same size ball and ball seat for each zone, you can stimulate unlimited zones without the loss of pressure you get from graduated ball sleeves, and with 0 interventions, giving you the potential to save hundreds of thousands of dollars through the life of the well. This exclusive design was awarded Best Completion Technology by World Oil. The eyeball sleeve has 3 distinct sections: a rotary cage to count and index the balls, a sliding sleeve, and a ball catcher to isolate the stimulation zone. To illustrate how the system works, we will track 4 balls as they pass through 2 sleeves. As the first ball advances the rotary cage, it is counted before continuing downhole to the next sleeve. Now let's slow things down a bit for a closer look at the second ball. At a flow rate of 15 barrels per minute, the ball moves the cage along a series of recesses and then continues to the ball catcher. Since this sleeve is uphole of the frac zone, the catcher is not seated yet, so the ball can pass through. Next, the third ball advances the rotary cage in the uphole sleeve and continues to repeat the process in the next sleeve downhole. As the fourth ball travels through, we can see how each sleeve is set up differently. Here, we're still in the counting phase. Then the ball moves to the next sleeve, closer to the toe, which is ready to be opened for stimulation. Flow rate is increased to 25 barrels per minute to overcome the shear value of the sleeve. As the sleeve slides open, the ball catcher is positioned to form a seat and isolate the lower zones, and the zone is ready for the fracturing stimulation. When the ball is seated, treatment pressure actuates the timer mandrel, which compresses the spring. Once the frac is complete and flowback begins, the spring causes the ball catcher seat to retract, and balls from prior frac stages can pass, with no need to mill out ball seats. The Zone Select Eyeball Multi-Zone Stimulation Sleeve. One ball size for more zones, with less topside equipment, less downhole intervention, and stimulating cost savings. And it's only from Weatherford.